Hey, welcome back to Good Enough Spanish. Today we're going over the months of the year because I'm sure we can agree that it is essential to know the months of the year, okay? So without further ado, let's get right into it. January is enero, enero. February, febrero, febrero. March is marzo, marzo. April is abril, abril. May is mayo, mayo. June is junio, junio. July is julio, julio. August is agosto, agosto. September is septiembre, septiembre. October is octubre, octubre. November is noviembre, noviembre. And December is diciembre, diciembre. And back to January, which is what? You remember? You got it. Enero, enero. And that's it, baby. That's more essential Spanish that really will help you get by, something that you can actually use, okay? And if you got value from this video, do me a favor and reach out and smash that like button. And be sure to subscribe because you don't want to miss a thing. And until next time, remember, you don't have to be perfect, just be good enough.